Hello, YouTube. Welcome back. I want to talk to you all about uh, labels. We're going to talk about labels today. We put labels on ourselves. We are here in this human existence trying to make sense of things. And because we are creators and God of our reality, we are left to place our own meaning on things. It's left up to our interpretation because nothing in and of itself has a designated meaning. It's really through our experience that we place our meaning on everything. So, since we have that power, why? Why are we placing limiting meanings on ourselves? You may be saying, I'm too fat, or I'm not smart enough, I'm not attractive enough, I'm not good enough, um, I'm broke, you know, I'm broken, I'm sick. These are nothing but labels. We have the power to disassociate certain meanings from ourselves and who we are. You know, these identities that we are so deeply anchored into, it's just a story. It's just a story that we've convinced ourselves is true about ourselves. And if you tell the same story over and over again, scientists show us, um, psychology research shows us that if you tell yourself something over and over and over again, eventually you will begin to believe it. So we can choose at any time to let go of those old stories and replace them with new ones. Replace them with empowering ones, ones that benefit us, ones that propel us further along in our purpose, the ones that make us stronger. Replace those defeating ones to ones that are empowering. No one can do that for you because you're the God of your reality. You have to decide what things mean for you. So right now, I want you to really think about the limits that you're placing on yourselves. What are they? Identify them. Maybe just right now, identify the number one thing that comes to your mind. I want you to really hear yourself say that statement back to yourself. Does that feel like truth to you? Does it feel like truth? That's the meaning that you've placed on yourself, that limitation. Where did it come from? Did it come from your parents? Did someone else give that to you? Did you inherit it somehow? Did you learn it through other people's behaviors? Maybe that's what they thought about themselves. And so you just absorbed it. It does not have to be yours. Let it go. Maybe it will serve you to take that same limitation and reframe it, reword it to where it works in your favor, to where it's speaking life into you. Do that right now. This is what we're here for. We're here to know that we're creators. I believe. Whatever you want, whatever meaning. Y'all know about superstitions and stuff. We've heard some. Some people believe in them, some people don't. Where did they come from? Somebody decided. They placed the meaning that a black cat crossing the road, if you then cross that same path, is bad luck for you. Who decided that? Someone did. And enough people decided to get on board with that belief that that's real to them. If they cross that path, they may experience what they believe is bad luck. Only because they created it, that's the meaning they placed on it, and therefore it has to show up. Your beliefs, the thoughts that you continue to tell yourself over and over again become beliefs. Those beliefs become conviction. When you are absolutely convinced that you are sick, you defend that thing to your death. You defend it. You don't have to. So that's what we're doing now. We are choosing to place meanings on everything, every instance, every memory, every circumstance that build us up, that build us. That's what we're doing. All right, you guys, that's all I have for today's message, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.